Welcome to May's Leetcode Challenge. Today's problem is k closest points to origin. We have a list of points, basically xy coordinates, and we want to find the k closest points to the origin 0, 0. The distance from 2 points is the Euclidean distance, and basically that's just the Pythagorean theorem. Here I've written out the equation x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Sum that, and the square root is going to be the distance between those 2 points, right? But luckily, one of those is going to be a 0, so we can just remove that completely. And that simplifies our equation to simply x squared plus y squared square root. So great, how do we want to do this? Basically, the straightforward approach works. You would iterate down all these points, calculate the distances, and then you could do two things. You could either append them onto a list, sort that, and then return the coordinates. We want to return the coordinates, not the distances, right? Or we can use a heap to do that. And because the minimum distance will be the k closest one from 0, 0, we could use a min heap. And luckily, Python's heap is min heap by default. So let's start with creating our heap. I'm going to make that equal to 0 like this. And for x and y in points, we'll add to our heap. Heap push, we'll add to our heap what? We want to add a tuple of the distance, right here, I'm going to make that the distance, and the xy coordinates. So xy coordinates, because that's what we're going to return later, and we want to calculate the distance. So I can just use the math square root and get x squared plus y squared. So that looks good. So now that we have our heap, we need to create an output list, right, of all the coordinates. And really all we need to do here is pop off the k number of, I guess, heap points and add that to our output. So we'll make k equal to 1 and say while there's a heap and k is less or equal to k, which is the number given to us, we'll pop off one of the heaps. And we'll just add that to our output. And we want to add the xy coordinates, so that would be the second item on that tuple. After that, we just return our output. Let's make sure that runs. And I got this for some reason. That's not right. Let's see. Oh, of course, I need to increase our k so that we don't go through the whole thing. So there, let's submit that. And that's accepted. So I just went with the straightforward approach. Let me know if you guys know of a better solution, but this does seem to work. So thank you.